Hey everyone, it is OSID Guides. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about a problem that we all face every day, and that's procrastination. Sometimes life can get really busy and super difficult to stay focused and on task. Today in this video, we're going to share 5 simple yet powerful tools and tips on how to stay productive at all times. Let's dive in.
Tip number 1, the 2-minute rule. Life throws a lot at us. Emails, notifications, messes, but not everything requires a full mental load. If something can be done in 2 minutes or less, do it right away. It's the little tasks that stack up and weigh us down. By handling them immediately, you clear the path for bigger things, aka bigger wins. Imagine a desk slowly clearing, piece by piece, a small act of order in a chaotic world. Tip number 2, time blocking. With so much to juggle, work, kids, home, it's easy to feel like time is slipping away. But what if you could take control of your day, one block at a time? By dedicating specific chunks of your day to focus work, family time, or even just a moment to breathe, you can turn a day of chaos into a structured, manageable routine. Picture the ticking of a clock, but instead of pressure, there's purpose. Tip number 3, use the Todoist app. In a world full of distractions, staying organized is key. Todoist isn't just an app, it's a lifeline. It helps you track tasks, set deadlines, and prioritize what truly matters. I love the widget feature on this app, and I use it on the daily. Imagine your life as a puzzle, and each task you check off brings that puzzle closer to completion. A moment of clarity in the whirlwind of everyday life. Tip number 4, use a shared family calendar. Coordination is the heartbeat of a busy family. When you're managing work, kids' schedules, and a household full of responsibilities, staying in sync with your loved ones is essential. A shared calendar becomes a map, guiding you through a maze of daily life. It's quite the assurance that no matter how busy things get, you're all on the same path. Finally, tip number 5, reward yourself. Life's demands can be relentless, but it's important to celebrate the wins, no matter how small. After a day of tackling tasks and keeping everything together, take a moment for yourself, whether it's a quiet coffee break or a well-deserved binge of your favorite show. These small rewards keep you going. Picture a candle in the darkness, small, but it brings warmth and light. In this fast-paced world we call life, productivity isn't about doing more, it's about doing what matters. By following these 5 tips, you can regain control, find focus, and make the most of each day. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like this video, comment with your thoughts and your favorite tips from this video, and don't forget to subscribe to OSID Guides for more ways to navigate the complexities of life. Thanks for watching. Peace.